Naghahanap ba kayo ng staycation near Manila? Try nyo dito sa Park Silang. Tara, i-room tour ko kayo dito sa Premier Suite. Pagpasok, nandyan ang bathroom. Super spacious. May hot and cold shower, towels, complete toiletries, and yes, merong bathtub. Meron tayong one large bedroom with open layout. May 2 king-size beds. Nag-add din kami ng extra person kaya may single bed sa floor. Hindi lang bathroom ang spacious dito guys, pati buong kwarto talaga. May flat screen TV rin, dining table, meron tayong lababo, and may ref. May complimentary bottled water din and free coffee. Ito ang favorite part namin, yung balcony with private pool. Grabe, ang sarap tumambay dito. May privacy ka na, may view ka pa. Kung gusto mo lang mag-relax, magbabad, or just enjoy the fresh air, this is the spot. Exclusive for your unit lang. Ang saya kasi may privacy ka, hindi crowded, and you can swim anytime you want, kahit nakapadyama ka pa. Sobrang sulit nito for couples or even small families na gusto ng chill but premium experience. Pwede ding barkada isama, chill-chill na may konting luho. Go!